Hi, friends. I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about pyramids. A pyramid is a type of 3D object. So, right now, I want you to think back to what are some things you know about pyramids. Yesterday, when you were watching the math video before the lesson, they mentioned pyramids. Do you remember anything from that video? All right, well, let's check our thinking now. So, a pyramid, friends, has many triangular faces that meet at a point. So there's one important part in there. It's many triangular faces. So that's important. Many triangular faces that meet at one point. Now, the triangular faces all share one other face. So wherever the triangles are coming from, they all share that one face at the bottom. Okay. So now we're going to look at some and we're going to talk about whether they're pyramids or not. So not every object with triangular faces is a pyramid. So just because there's a triangular face, you can't say, oh, it's a pyramid. Because remember, they have to start at the same face and they have to have the same point that they're all going to. Now, pyramids may sometimes lie on a triangular face. So this right here is a pyramid because it's lying on the triangular face. However, this is the face that they all share and they all meet at this point. If we look at it like this, they all share this face right here. And then they all of the triangle sides meet at this point here. They all meet here. So they have to share the face and also meet at the same point. Now, some pyramids can look a bit strange, like this one, but if you notice, they all share the same base and they all meet at the same point, and all of the faces are triangles except for the one that they share. So, where might you see pyramids? Yeah, some of my friends said you might see them in Egypt. Egypt is where you would see pyramids. So today, my friends, you're going to be identifying some pyramids and deciding whether or not this 3D shape is a pyramid based on the points that we just talked about. So when you look here, let's look at step up. It says look at each object, count the number of triangular faces, and write the total. So you have to really look at this. Right here, I see that there's one. And if I see the dotted lines back there, that means that that's forming another triangle. So 2, dotted lines here, 3, 4. So there's 4 triangular faces in this one. Let's give this one a try. Okay. So I see that my friends are looking and they're seeing that there's one here, 1, 2, and then there's one triangle at the bottom. So there's 3. The next couple are tricky, but I'd like for you to give it a try. Okay? Now, when we look over here, it says circle the pyramids. So I'm looking back here and I remember that they have to have triangular faces that meet at a point and they can share one other face, but only one other face. So when I'm looking at this shape right here, I see that this is a triangle, this is a triangle, this is a triangle, and they all share this face. So this is a pyramid. Now, when I look over at this shape, letter F, I see that this face is not a triangle because there's this little extra part here. And this isn't a triangle, this isn't a triangle, this isn't a triangle. They don't have all triangular faces. They don't all meet at one point, and they do all, though, share the same base face, but they don't have those triangular um, faces meeting at one point. So this is not a pyramid. There's a couple more that aren't pyramids in there. I'd like for you to try and find all the pyramids and put an X on the ones that aren't pyramids. Step ahead is a little tricky today, and I'm going to read it to you and then give it your best try. Step pyramids are buildings that are made up of layers of stone. They do not have smooth triangular faces like the pyramids above because the faces are actually steps. So, how many blocks have been used in this step pyramid right here? How many blocks have been used? Be sure to count the hidden blocks too. So, when you're looking, how many do you see here to here to maybe find out how many are on this bottom base layer? And then how many would be here, here, and here to get the total number of steps in all. Okay? Give this your best try. If you need help, send me a message and I will do my best to help guide you as we figure out how to identify pyramids. All right, I can't wait to see your work, my friends.